let's start right there with valuation as we do go into this roadshow. I'm already starting to see the Wall Street notes and the chatter about whether this company is overvalued at 95 times sales, et cetera, et cetera. But the other piece of this is, how do you value a company that has no comparable like it in the market? Case in point, all the space stocks that are currently trading are re-rating higher to meet the expectation around SpaceX, because many of those companies wouldn't exist if it wasn't for SpaceX bringing launch costs down.
That's right. 100% agree. We get, in terms of evaluation, we look at SpaceX as a three-engine empire. You have the SpaceX core that accounts for about 90% of all mass to orbit. That's all mass to orbit. It's a huge number. You have Starlink, which has leapfrogged the telecom industry, just like mobile leapfrogged the landline. So, and this is the cash cow. We have 10 million subscribers. So, and then you have a SpaceX AI. So you get to 1.2 trillion with the two first engines. You get to that with SpaceX core and Starlink, and then the rest is optionality with SpaceX AI. And to us, for people who can see towards the future, SpaceX AI can be the leader when it comes to AI, because the AI game is not about the LLM. It is about the infrastructure. And SpaceX provides the optionality with data centers up in the space for whoever wants to believe in it. We believe in it. And if this happens down the road, then the leader in AI will be SpaceX. So all these three engines together, and they're all interconnected, gets us to 1.77 trillion. And we believe this stock will do amazing on the first day of trading because we see so much pent-up demand.
So in light of that, I mean, we've got a small float. There's obviously a huge amount of appetite and interest in this name as it goes public here. And then you're going to have forced buying, too, just given what we've seen in terms of changes around methodologies with some of the different indexes, et cetera. But there's also, the counter to that is also that with the retail allotment and how to think about that piece of the puzzle, that there's also a possibility, a high risk that, as we've seen historically, retail investors could get burned. Is this time different?
It is. We believe it is different. As you mentioned, we are speaking about a faster conclusion to the S&P 500. Then you have 15 to 20 trillion of passive money following that index. If SpaceX goes public at 1.77, we're speaking about 2% plus of the S&P 500 index. That means we will have 300 to 400 billion of forced buying to keep that's going to mitigate the selling pressure. And then you have a faster conclusion to the NASDAQ. That's going to have an effect in the first weeks. We're speaking about a 6% weight in the NASDAQ, and that accounts for about 30 billion of forced buying. Then you have the Russell 1000 growth. It is a historic IPO. You have forced buying. We believe there is a floor, unlike other IPOs in the past. And we see a tremendous amount of interest. We can say this because of the XOVR ETF, the interest we have received from retail investors, for people who want to invest $50 bucks, $100 bucks. They all want to be part of this historic IPO.